ZYNN app payment proof. That's what we'll be talking about today. But first, please, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog, all kind of really cool stuff, and I'll throw another link down to some videos for some really cool cash apps where you can make money and all that kind of stuff, and we'll go over some of those at the end of the video here, and a place to refer people to apps such as this ZYNN app. I think that's how it's pronounced. But anyways, let's just get right into this. So basically, it's an app like TikTok. In fact, it's an exact clone of TikTok for that matter. But they're gonna pay you to refer people, and then it's like $5 or $20, up to $20 per invite that you get. And there's an invite code. Of course, I'm gonna put my code right here on the screen, and you could be in the video description below as well, all over the place, whatever. And it's iOS and Android app, and it's real quick here. It has a 4.2 on the Android store. But let's jump to my phone real quick, and I'm going to show you some things on it. And also, since it is a referral app, I'm going to show you a place at the end of this video where you can get a lot more referrals. So stay tuned for that as well. Let's get right into it. Alright, so this is the app right here. It's basically like TikTok. In fact, it's an exact clone of TikTok. But, you know, and I guess they're trying to encourage people to refer friends so they can make money, so they could try to get into TikTok space. And here it is right here. You get your referral code. You invite 5 friends, get $110. And it's unlimited money too. But there is a little trick to it. Not necessarily a trick, but a catch, if you will, where the people that you refer have to actually watch videos and be on for a certain time. We'll look at this right now. So right there it says earn $6 when your friend signs up and watches videos. Earn an extra $2 when your friend watches videos for the next 2 days. Get points, 120,000 points as long as your friend watches videos actively, and redeem them for $12. So it's, you know, it's not like $20 instantly for every friend, you know, but if you get enough people signed up, you know, and even in fact, put your referral code down in the comments below, and let's just help each other out. Of course, I want you to use my referral code so I can actually make a payment proof video. But just, you know, in fact, speaking of TikTok, there's a little TikTok notification there. Anyway, so let's check it out. Let's test this thing out. Let's see what happens. It seems legit. It's on the iOS store. I know Apple doesn't let, you know, shady apps on their store. It's on Google as well. And let's just get into business here and test it out. What are your thoughts? Put them in the comments below. And let's check out a site where you can actually refer people and get lots and lots of referrals. Let's check that out right now. Okay, so my referral link is in the description of this video as well, and here it is. When you use my link, you're going to just use this code and hit your copy on your phone or whatever. But let's check out a place here where you can promote your links as well. This is a website that I've been using for a long time. It's called Kit. There'll be a link down there for this as well. I have many other cash apps here as well that I refer people to, and it's a free site. You don't have to pay anything to use it. For example, I have Dosh here, I have Robinhood, I get free stocks, Uber rides and stuff like that, $600 listening to music, all kinds of stuff. It's just another place where you can promote your referral links and affiliate links, and by the time you're there, I'll probably have a little space for this app. So check it out, folks. Let me know what your thoughts are. Put them in the comments below. Please subscribe to the channel. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog as well for you to check out. And we'll do a payment proof video as soon as we test out everything, and we'll get going here. All right, so cool. Talk to you soon.